most likely. Oh, it's Mick Custom Cruise. You can see here a really horrendous fucking state of affairs where someone has never ever looked after this bike. This is possibly the one built in, was it 97? Yeah. 1997, original fucking brake master soon. But look at the corrosion. I mean, that's after we've sanded it all out. If you saw the first video, it shows how bad it was, but the housing's pretty shagged. It looks like it's most likely going to be a whole new unit actually. But we'll try and clean it up and see what happens. But that really is the worst thing I've ever seen in my life. And here's another part of it. You know, this is the thing that's supposed to go on there, and then a rubber boot has the grease in to stop all this crap happening. You know, because this has actually got to move, isn't it, Nick? This fucking centre bit.
And those seals have
bolted in.
They've got to seal against a smooth surface.
They have, yeah.
Not corrosion.
So obviously with this, there wouldn't have been a very good brake at all.